Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video I am going to show you how to work with Excel without any Excel knowledge. It is possible today. Here we have some information about one company. Here we have employer. Here we have salary. But we want some counting. But we don't have Excel knowledge. How we can fix it? I will tell you. It is possible. We want to find the total salary of this month. It is April month. We want to find the average of this month. We want to the max salary of this month and also the main salary. Okay, but we don't have, I want to repeat, we don't have Excel knowledge. How we can work with Excel? It is possible with ChatGPT. If you don't never hear about ChatGPT, ChatGPT is a state of natural language processing AI made by OpenAI. First, you need to make ChatGPT account. From here, go to this site and come here, make account. After that, go to this site. It is ChatGPT. I'm not robot. From here, we can do everything. Now, come here. I want to find the total salary of this month. How? Just come to ChatGPT. Here, write your message. What do you want? Give me the sum formula for the D column on Excel. What it means? Here we have D column. It is salary. I want to find the total of salary for this month. How much salary we need for this month to pay for employer. Here is total salary. I want to count the D column. Just right here, give me the sum formula for D column on Excel. Okay, click here. First, the ChatGPT will say something for you. It is information about the sum. Then it gave you a formula. Copy this formula. Then come to Excel. Paste here. Look. It counts all the salary. If you count this salary, the total of this salary is this one. We need to find the average of salary. Okay. Go to ChatGPT, write your message here. Give me the average formula for D column on Excel. You can write like this. Then send this message. Okay. It is the average formula. Copy this one and come back to ChatGPT. You can do it without any knowledge. Look, it is the average. And also you can find the max salary. Look here in the chart. The max salary is this one, 8,800. You can find with formula. The ChatGPT will give you this formula. Go to ChatGPT. Write your message. Give me the max formula of D column on Excel. Give me the max formula for D column on Excel. What it means? Give me the max value of D column. What is the max value? Again, send this message. Look, it will give you information and also give you the formula. Copy the formula, come back to Excel. Guys, before paste, if this video is helpful, please help me subscribe my channel and like this video. Now paste here. Look, it is 8,800, for example, dollar. It is the max value. You can find like this. What about the min? Where is the min? I think maybe this one is the min. You can find with ChatGPT like this. Send your message for ChatGPT. Now give me the main formula. Main formula of what? D column. Here is D column. All of salary are in the D column. Send your message. Look, it is the main formula. Copy and paste here. Anywhere you want, you can paste here also. Look, but I don't want. I want to paste here. Without any knowledge, we can calculate this information: the total salary, the average salary, the main salary, the max salary. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. See you soon.